Hi, for your roof inspection, roof replacement, roof insulation, torch down,
Doing a
asphalt
roof
shingles,
replacement
roof
inside
coating, you can always contact us. This is Sean with Safari Builders, providing
we have
service in
already
Los Angeles
plywoods,
and
so
Orange County.
we're
We can
replacing
take
them.
care of your roof
As
repair
you see, this
and
is a bad
roof
plywood right
problems
here.
from A to Z. You can contact us at safaribuilders.us or call us at 714-717-8727. We will provide you materials, equipment, labor to complete the job. And please subscribe to our
Roof
channel
replacement in Santa
and
Ana.
like our channel. Thank you and see you on the next video.
Plywood was bad. We're replacing bad plywoods.